Yeah. G'day boys and girls. Well, today I'm mostly working on the Discovery, and I've had a few problems with the emissions. So I've removed the EGR valve, which was pretty mucky inside, and I've cleaned it all up. I should have showed you it before. It's pretty good now, pretty clean. However, I decided, after reading a lot online, to go with the EGR delete method, which is to put this in place of that. Sadly, they only gave me one blanking plate and I need 3. So, not to be beaten, I've made one of my own, which I should be able to get away with by incorporating the cooler, which is down there. Very kindly they put a gasket in with the EGR delete jobby, but it was broken, so that's about as much use as chocolate. Let's have to glue it or something. Go away, lorries. Anyway, I'll show you where it's all going. So, the EGR will fit between here. These vacuum pipes will be blanked off because they serve the brake system too. And unfortunately for me, I thought I just had a single pipe coming round like this. But in fact, I've got a cooler system here, an air cooling system that helps to keep the temperature, blah 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 with that. It's all emissions crap. So we're basically doing away with that and just going straight through to there. See if that makes any difference. If not, I'll just revert back to the standard system. Okay boys and girls, that's all for now. Bye.